Welcome to Trap Talk TV, your weekly news bulletin power-packed with information and stories that better your business.
This episode has been brought to you by the Lalit Suri Hospitality Group.
It's more fun. It's more fun in the Philippines.
News this week. The Ministry of Finance has included hotels and convention centers in the harmonized master list of infrastructure subsectors. MOT welcomed the decision of the Ministry of Finance to include hotels with a project cost of more than 200 crore rupees at any place in India and of any star rating, and convention centers with a project cost of more than 300 crore rupees in the harmonized master list of infrastructure subsectors. This facility will be applicable from the date of notification and available for eligible prospects for 3 years from the date of notification. Eligible costs exclude cost of land and lease charges but include interest during construction. IAAI calls for Thai and Taffy to join hands to determine the quantum of commissions with the respective airlines, post the recent orders of the Ministry of Civil Aviation.
We are open. Thai and Tafi, they can support us definitely because we are fighting for the industry. It's not for myself or somebody else. We are for the travel agents and we are open. And we used to tell all these travel agents association, not only IATA and all the people, they should support. The industry stakeholders should come together under one umbrella.
Iqbal Mullah, Thai president, also said that they are open to work with any association that supports the agents' crusade for restoration of suitable commissions. However, they will not stop or write letters to claim credit while their crusade is still on to get commissions back. Echoing similar sentiments, Praveen Chugh, Taffy vice president, said their association has been in an overdrive mode, meeting various government agencies and airlines, details of which will be revealed at an appropriate time. We are also open to work with any travel agents association or agents who possess the same dedication to safeguard the interests of the fraternity. The Jammu and Kashmir government announces 50% rebate to tourists in off-season. To boost tourist arrivals during off-season, the Jammu and Kashmir government announced a 50% rebate on lodging and transport charges to those visiting the valley on the eve of Diwali and Saffron Festival. The state has also initiated a 3-day Kashmir Saffron Festival, which will start on October 29 at Bisu village of Pampore. With the hospitality industry in Uttarakhand exempted from service tax for 6 months, FHRA hopes these measures will last longer.
They announced a 6 months relief from service tax, but that is not enough because service tax, for one, is the smallest component in the tax structure a hotel pays. On the other, since the 6 months would be only during the lean period, it will help the hotel and restaurant owners, but not to a great extent. We are hoping that tax would, relief would continue. So we had really asked for a whole, total tax exemption where no luxury tax, no VAT should have been. For VAT, we told them at least 50% discount should be given on VAT for at least next 3 years.
CGH Earth highlights its new branding ideas and expansion plans.
New ideas that we are looking at is in the area of partnership. How we can partner we want to be operators to investors to take the advantage of this brand, but not at all diluting any manner this brand.
Crown Plaza Kochi shares its growth plans in the city.
Crown Plaza Kochi have been designed for the MICE destination. So we are very focused on how to develop Kochi as a MICE destination. with one brand, 2 hotels. In total, we have got around 400 odd rooms in our inventory. In India, it is developing its grounding its roots deep inside as a very, very preferred destination. In terms of the market is concerned, the city is developing very, very fast.
The Cyprus Tourism Organization discusses their inter-market plans with us.
We expect to get a return on investment for all our expenditure, and that's how we look at it. For MICE, we don't expect big numbers, but we expect a lot of expenditure. What we expect is to see airlines flying directly, is to get strong business relationships. Numbers are great for propaganda, but what we expect is long-term relationship.
With that, it's a wrap in this edition of Trap Talk TV, but do stay connected for more. You can log on to www.traptalktv.com for more details.
This episode was brought to you by the Lalit Suri Hospitality Group.